Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Victory Vegas Jackpot. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 Victory Vegas Jackpot with 15,597 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, a Victory Performance exhaust, a rear fender eliminator kit, LED rear turn signals, and a swing arm plate mount. Powered by a 1634cc V-twin engine, the Jackpot puts 85 horsepower and 106 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Jackpot has a 150 to 180 mile range. It has a 26.5-inch seat height and a 657-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Jackpot will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, a DOT-approved plate mount, and the handlebar bushings will need to be addressed. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted an exhaust rattle. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the mirror case, blemish on the rear fender. This bike has a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.